A real helicopter cartwheel tutorial. Wow. You're gonna need to stretch out your back and your legs, obviously. Yeah, stretch your splits. Yeah, your other split. Most importantly, your middle split. If you're not flexible, this video is not for you. You'll do a cartwheel on your non-dominant side. Once you're in the cartwheel, you need to hit this straddle pose. Once you hit that straddle pose, you're gonna move your right leg down and twist it. Once again, you're gonna move your right leg down while your left leg goes the other way. By twisting your legs, you're basically moving into a split handstand. You basically just twist your legs while moving your left hand over. From here, you would just slide into a walkover. Take off your socks so you don't slip and die. Now just combine all those steps you've learned, and now you have a perfect helicopter cartwheel. You're gonna fail at first, but you'll get it eventually. You should maybe watch some other tutorials, cause mine suck.